Hello, fabulous second graders. How are you? Are you fantastic? I hope you are. I am. Here we go. The month is October. Yesterday was October 13th. If yesterday was 13th, add one more, and today is the 14th. Let's put our date down. October's the 10th month. October 14th, 2020. Let's put it in word form. October 14th, 2020. I know that today is the middle of the week. Today is Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, hop backwards to yesterday. What was yesterday, friends? Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, then tomorrow will be Thursday. Alright, yesterday we had been at school 21 days, 21 plus 1 more. Now we have 2 groups of 10, or 2 rods, and we have 2 ones. That makes 22. Alright, let's make 22 cents. I'm going to make a mix today. Ready? Watch this. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So I did a 10, 2 5s, and 2 1s. Alright, know these words. Over, many, number, see, should, how. Remember, you should, hey, like this word, you should be able to read and write these words on your own because they are trick words from first grade. All right, let's get a new number, 75. Let's find it. Today, we are going to count by 5s starting at 75. Let's try it. Count by 5s starting at 75. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Alright, I'm going to clear these off so we can use it on our next screen. Grab your hundreds chart if you need it. Let's get a new number. Oh, 3. Put it in. What's 1 less than 3? You don't need your hundreds chart for this. 2. What's 1 more than 3? 4. We are not going to do 10 less because we would be in some negative numbers and we're just not going there yet. So let's go 10 more. When we go 10 more, where do we end up? 13. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy, wasn't it? All right, let's get another big number. Oh, this one's not so big. Oh, gracious, you guys. Look at this. Read that number. 47. Do we have a hundredth number? No. We have 47. So let's put our number here. We are going to skip 100 less, and we're just going to do 100 more. So if I'm at 0 right here, and I add 1 to it, visualize a 1 right there. What number does it become? 147. Great work today.